everyone. Today I am going to tell you the summary of third chapter of supplementary, The Selfish Giant. This is very interesting chapter, so listen carefully. I have divided the summary of this chapter in some points. By the help of these points, you will understand the summary easily. Okay, so let's start now. First point is Giant's Garden. Giant is the main character in this story. He was very selfish. He had lovely garden. Children used to play in the giant's garden every afternoon. It had soft grass. There were so many trees. There were fruit trees also. They bore rich fruit. The birds sang sweet song. The children were very happy to play in it. Okay, next point is the return of the giant. One day the giant came back after 7 years in his garden. He had stayed with his friend the Cornish ogre. He saw the children playing in his garden. He shouted angrily. The children ran away as they saw him. He said that it was his own garden. He would not allow anyone to play there. He built a wall around it. He also put a notice board. It had a warning on it: trespassers will be prosecuted. Okay. Next point is the sad children. The children were very sad after this. They had no other place to play. They had no other place to play. They used to wander around the high walls. They used to talk about the beautiful garden. Okay. Next point, the sad garden. The garden was also very sad because there were no children. The spring came, but it was winter in the giant's garden. The birds didn't sing as there were no children. Once a beautiful flower came out of the grass, but it saw the notice board. It went back to sleep. In the giant's garden there were the snow and frost. Everything in it looked white. Then came the north wind. It stayed with them. The hail also came. Okay. Next point, fruit of selfishness. The selfish giant looked at the cold and white garden. The spring didn't come to his garden. There were golden fruit in the autumn in other garden, but it didn't come to his garden. He was surprised why the spring and autumn season were so late. The winter, the north wind, the hail, the frost, the snow danced there. Spring in the garden. Okay, next point is spring in the garden. One morning, the giants heard some lovely music. It was very sweet. He thought that it must be the king's musicians, but it was the song of linnet. Okay, linnet means a name of bird, a kind of bird. She was singing outside the window. The giant found its song very sweet. Then the hail, after listening the music, hail stopped dancing. The north wind stopped roaring. Finally, the giant felt that the spring had come. Okay. Next point, the most wonderful sight. The giant saw the most lovely sight. The children had entered in his garden through a little hole. They were sitting in the branches of the trees. The trees were glad to have them. They had blossomed. The birds were flying about. They were chirping also. The flowers were also happy. It was a lovely sight. But in one corner there was still winter. Okay. Next point, the little boy. In that corner, a small boy was standing. He could not reach the branches of the trees. He was crying and wandering about. The north wind blew and roared. The tree asked the boy to climb. It bent its branches down, but the boy could not climb. Okay. Next point, the children and the giant play. When the children saw the giant, they ran away. Winter came again in the garden. Only the little boy didn't run. He was weeping. He did not see the giant. The giant put the boy up into the tree. The tree blossomed at once. The little boy kissed the giant. The other children saw that the giant was not weak. They came running back. With them, the spring also came. The giant told the children that it was their garden. He pulled down the wall. People saw the giant playing with the children during noon. Okay. Next point, the absent child. Every afternoon, the children came and played with the giant, but that boy did not come again. The giant wanted to see that little boy. He was very sad. The return of the little boy. One winter morning, the giant suddenly rubbed his eyes. He saw a very beautiful scene. In one corner there stood a lovely tree with white blossoms. Its branches were golden. The little boy stood under it. The giant saw that the little boy was wounded. He had the print of 2 nails on his hands and feet. The giant was very angry. He said that he would slay the man who had wounded him. Okay. Next point, paradise. But the boy told him that those were the wounds of love. The giant at once asked the boy who he was. A strange fear fell in the giant's eyes. The boy smiled. He told the giant to come with him to his garden. His garden was paradise. Okay. At last, the children found the giant dead under the tree. He was covered with white blossoms. Okay. So, I think you will have understood the summary of this chapter. Okay. Have a nice day. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.